So hey y'all, this is JustATouchofJ coming at you, making love in Beats Kitchen. What y'all out there doing? This is my black bean mousse, okay? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay? So I'm just dipping it up and I'm putting it up in here. Alright y'all, this is nothing but black beans. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Simply amazing, okay? Black beans, chocolate, coconut milk. Oh my gosh, I put it in the fridge. But do you see the consistency? Look at how thick it is.
I'm just trying to put it
okay?
in pieces for you.
You see that? Black bean, coconut, black bean, chocolate mousse. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't even know. Now I usually put like a coconut milk whipped cream topping on it, but I'm not doing that this time. Okay? But this is what it is. It's a nice treat. You see it? Yeah. I'm going to show y'all how to make this. But look. See it? You see it? Look like it's pudding, don't it? Let me ease on that. Y'all see that? Can you see it? Look at it. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my God, this is JustATouchofJ, baby. Making love in V's kitchen. Look. Let me just get here. Let me just let you see what it look like. Look. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Look.
What's up, y'all?
Do you see it?
Did y'all like that?
Black beans. Oh my gosh. Yes. Black beans, coconut milk, secret spices. Oh my God. Look at it.
Making love in Beats.
Yep, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how to make it. It's amazing. I swear it tastes so good. Oh my gosh, it just tastes so good. Yep, look at it. See it? Look, let me put the light down for me. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Yeah, wait till y'all taste this. Like I said, it's JustATouchofJ, baby. Make a love in Beats Kitchen. Just want to come at you real quick and let you see what it looks like. I've been talking about it on my podcast. Okay, the JustATouchofJ Podcast, link in bio. Make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. Again, this is black beans. Okay, black beans, cocoa, coconut milk, couple herbs, couple spices, everything nice. Just put it in the blender. You blend it up. I'm trying to tell you, best thing you ever had. This is what it looks like. Look, you see it inside of the blender. Oh my God, take a look at it. Look, just look at the consistency. Look, you would never even know that this was black beans. Okay, you can turn this into a brownie mix. You can make it into ice cream. I layer it on like a strawberry shortcake type of thing. Oh my gosh, like with a sponge cake. I got that coming to y'all with a bunch of strawberries. Just, you know, this is it right here. Look. You see how it is? Look how creamy it is. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Look, I'm putting another one on here too. Look at that thing.
Baby.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to just take the rest of it out of here. Look, this is JustATouchofJ. I'm up out of here. A lot of fiber. Okay. What else? What else is up in here? Fiber, all type of stuff. Oh, make sure y'all go ahead and get the sweet potato brownie recipe off the JustATouchofJ app. Oh my God, this smells so good, y'all.
What's up, baby?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and I made this up myself, okay? So don't think I tried to get it from nobody, nothing like that. God laid it on my heart. He said, go ahead, put this in there with that, put that in there with that. I said, okay, let me see if it hit. If it's hitting, if it worked out, and it did. It worked out real good. Okay, so this is my black bean chocolate mousse. I also make a chickpea one too. Okay, and like I said, it's JustATouchofJ, making love in V's kitchen. Okay, so check out the JustATouchofJ app. Check out the podcast. Okay. Look at that there, yo. Okay, the JustATouchofJ Podcast. Make sure you check that out. And anything else I gotta tell y'all? It's sweet potato. Brownie recipe. I'm sorry, y'all. It's late. I'm sorry. But I just wanted to bring this to y'all so y'all can see it before I eat it all. Yes, Mama's doing some things and I gotta make sure I eat this today, okay? All this training and stuff I got going on. But look at it. So look, see, this is what it look like. Alright. Black bean chocolate mousse. And you just put it in the refrigerator. Like I said, if you want to put it in the freezer and make it like ice cream, do that too. You can layer this on a cake. You do whatever it is you want to do. Simple ingredients. I think it's like 4 or 5 of them. And there you go. Nothing extra. Alright. I love my babies. Look at that tear. Oh! Look. Black beans, baby. Chocolate mousse. Alright? Like I said, just a touch of J making love these kitchen. I love my babies. Thanks for all your love and support. I'm about to eat this. You guys have an amazing night. Bye-bye. Damn.